there. Dash, vents. Cream, dusty. But that's okay. We're gonna put this bad boy new again. We're gonna put it brand new. Then we're gonna do the outside. Also, interior. It's the back seat. There's a stain right there. A lot of stains on this corner right there. The floor mats, the original floor mats, and then you got the cover floor mats in the back. Headliner. I don't really see nothing bad on the headliner. It looks pretty good. Then I'm gonna come around the back here. This gotta get detailed here. Here, the floor mat here. Spots on this one. This gonna get a full extraction too. Turn this bad boy brand new again. Back here. Everything. This car is doing a whole 360. Door panels. Driver's side rear. Okay. Get the rims nice and clean too. And this is the one that we're gonna work on really nice. Bring this one right back to life. Okay. All right, y'all see it now. Y'all gonna see it later. You will see it later. Engine. We're gonna do the engine for it too. Get all that cleaned up, clean, protected. It look like it came out of the factory. All right, so now we're finally over 6 hours, professionally detailed, and came out with one side. That's the interior. No issues. Completely clean and extracted, waxed, decontaminated, the whole 9 yards. I'm really good about this part here because that panel had all the grease in it, and I was able to get that out. That took me about 30 minutes to take that off. I had to use compressed air and some specialty brushes for it. Everything else you can see came out flawless. Look how beautiful. Everything. I'm gonna show you the outside. Door jams, tires, rims. We went ahead and did a complimentary detailing on the motor. Normally we do charge a price for this, but I went ahead and did it anyways. guys can see. The car's been sitting for a long time, so it's going to have some tree sap on the top. You can see the top of that more. The top of the roof there is kind of faded, but not much we can do about that. And paint chips coming off. But we decontaminated the paint to get those results, to get it cleaner. And as you can see now, it's completely extracted, clean. This car took a whole 360. We did a full. This took us six hours to get done. The interior was the problem we had, so it took us a while. So we took our time, got it right done, at the right time. On top here, bottom, the tires, detailed as well. Pretty much it. Another one.